All Manipur Working Journalist Union Amju today celebrated its 47th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club at Major Khul, Imphal. A memorial pillar of journalists was unveiled at the event. Besides distributing prizes to the winners of a one-day media campaign on Save Nambol held in June 2 last, one Sambandhuram and Naresh Khagembam of Tom TV bagged the second prize in electronic media reporting on the Save Nambol media campaign. Final year examination of undergraduate and postgraduate students from Northeast India studying at various colleges affiliated to Mangalore University has begun today at the Manipur International University Administrative MIU headquarters situated at Ghari Awang Lekai in Imphal. Kakching High School 1994 metric batch students today planted saplings at Kerajing and roadsides of Lawyai to mark the World Ozone Day 2020. They also celebrated Vishwakarma Puja. Universal Friendship Organization UFO today paid homage to the departed souls of forefathers by offering fruits and edibles at Hairok Ningthau Memorial Site, Hairok Ching. UFO maintained COVID-19 SOP during the program. Moreh Police, under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations M. Amit, today intensified drive against people defying COVID-19 rules at Moreh Market. Passers-by at the market without face mask were fined Rs 200 each. The police also collected Rs 3,600 from individuals who were riding two-wheelers by violating COVID-19 rules. India's biggest bank, State Bank of India, is extending OTP-based cash withdrawal for Rs 10,000 and above throughout the day across all SBI ATM's booths in the country. This will be effective from September 18, 2020. For withdrawing Rs 10,000 and above, SBI debit card holders now have to enter OTP sent to their registered mobile numbers along with their debit card PIN each time. East of Kathmandu in Nepal was jolted by an earthquake of magnitude 5.4 on the Richter scale this morning, the National Seismological Center said. According to media reports, the earthquake of magnitude 5.4 on the Richter scale hit 50 km east of Kathmandu in Nepal at 5 a.m. today, NCS said.